Alright, see that? That's the satellite farm. That's our destination.
Got a little bit on here.
That one down at the end is Sat 4.
The very end?
Yeah. That one's always a pain in the butt. Whoa! Did you see that?
I don't want to be holding any long rods.
Oh my gosh! Dude, that was that was awesome!
Were you by chance watching the disc?
Yeah, it just went flash!
The whole thing flashed. I thought, am I still alive?
We got that. We got it on the camera. Yeah.
I'm alive still.
That was a little ThunderSnow. Let's hope that lightning doesn't come down here.
Metal, is it?
You know, I think it's fiberglass.